Hello, good morning to all. Myself Baldevram Mali, lecturer Computer Science and Engineering, Government Polytechnic College, Jodhpur. Topic of my e-lecture is meta characters and pattern matching in Unix. Subject code CS303. In Unix, meta characters are also known as special characters and have special meaning to shell. They perform special functions. Meta characters can be used as wildcards to specify name of file without having to type out the file's full name in Unix command. That means if we know only part of file name in Unix, then we can search that file also in Unix using meta characters. The meta characters in Unix are mostly three: asterisk, question mark, and brackets. First, we take asterisk meta character. The asterisk meta character can be replaced by any number of characters, including null. For example, the command ls sumit star. This command lists all files that start with the name Sumit, like Sumit, Sumit1, Sumit A, Sumit Talk, like this. The second example is rm asterisk sh. This command remove all files that end with the name sh, like Manish, Suresh, Mukesh, etc. Now we take next meta character question mark. The question mark meta character can be replaced by exactly any one character. For example, ls sumit question mark. This command lists all files that start with the name Sumit followed by any one character like Sumit1, Sumit9, Sumit A, Sumit X, etc. Second example is rm 3 times question mark. This command remove all files that have name of any three characters like ABC, P12, sum, S2X, etc. One more example of question mark meta character is rm 4 time question mark T. This command remove all files that have the name of any four character plus last character is T, like Punit, Sumit, Ram 5T, etc. Then now we take bracket meta character. The bracket meta character can be replaced by exactly one character only from the specified set or range of characters. The difference between question mark and bracket is that question is also replaced by only one character, but character may be any digit, letter, etc. But bracket is also replaced by one character, but that character is restricted. That character must only from the specified set or the specified range. For example, the command ls sumit bracket acp bracket close. This command lists all files that start with the name Sumit followed by one character only from the set ACP. So this command can list only three files: Sumit A, Sumit C, Sumit P. The next example is ls Sumit bracket caret acp bracket close. Here caret work for the not. This command lists all files that start with the name Sumit followed by one character except from the set ACP. So this command can list files Sumit B, Sumit D, Sumit T, Sumit N, etc. But not files Sumit A, Sumit C, Sumit P. The command rm data bracket 0 hyphen 9 bracket close. In this command, inside the bracket we specify the standard range of digits. So this command remove all files that start with the name data followed by any one digit only, like data 0, data 3, data 9, etc. In this example, bracket is replaced only by a single digit. The next command is rm data bracket small a hyphen small z bracket close. In this command, inside the bracket we specify the range of lowercase letters. So this command remove all files that start with the name data followed by any one lowercase letter only, like data A, data B, data X, etc. In this way, we discuss the mostly used meta character in Unix, asterisk, question mark, and bracket. Role of meta character is to provide facility in multiple files in a single command, so that a single command can be applied on multiple files. Now we take pattern matching in Unix. The pattern matching in Unix is mostly performed by grep command. The grep stands for Global Regular Expression Print. The grep is powerful filter command in Unix. The syntax of grep command is following: grep, then options, then pattern, and then file names. By default, this grep, that means grep command without option, search the pattern in specified file line by line and display all lines that contain the specified pattern. The pattern of character is called regular expression. One more thing is that the grep is case sensitive in pattern matching. The various options used with grep command are described in following table. First option is -v. By using this option, grep command display all the lines that do not contain the specified pattern. If we use -i option with grep command, the grep ignores case in pattern matching because by default grep is case sensitive. The next option is -c. When we use -c option in grep command, grep displays only a counting of lines that contain the specified pattern. Next option is -h. When we use -h option, with grep command. Grep command display the matched lines but do not display the file name along with matched lines. Then next option is dash L. When dash L option is used with grep command, grep displays list of file names only which contains the specified pattern. It is useful when we use multiple file names in grep command as an argument. Then last option is dash n option. When dash n option is used with grep command, grep displays the matched line and their line numbers also. In this way, we discuss the pattern matching tool grep of Unix. Okay, thanks.